There's a couple billion people in the world, and a million other places you could be, but you're here with me. Take a moment just to let it in, 'cause every high, every low, look to this. I'm just so glad you exist. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Dan and Shay. This is Glad You Exist. The song was requested by Ashlyn, so thanks a lot, Ashlyn, for the request. She makes some really good ones, and she's one of the regulars on the channel, so I got to give her a special shout out and thank you. Yeah, if you guys have other requests, let me know in the comments, and if you have questions or anything, let me know in the comments as well. Okay, so let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo on it. So I'm going to show you, since this channel is for beginners, and Ashlyn I think is a little bit more on the beginner side too, I'm going to show you guys how to play this a very easy way, okay? And it's not the actual way that they strum it, that they play it, but the way that Dan and Shay typically works from what I've seen is either neither one of them is playing a guitar while they sing, or the backup singer is playing a guitar while they sing, or just the band, right? So so it's not usually that the lead singer is doing it. So I think this one's kind of hard to play the way that it's actually done and sing at the same time. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to show you that too. This song's super simple, but the strumming pattern is just a little bit more picking pattern. Is a little bit hard for that part. So the way that you're going to use your fingers on this song, okay, is you're going to basically go. You're going to put your ring finger, all right, is going to go on the 4th fret on the D string, and then you're going to put your pinky finger right next to it, okay, on the 4th fret on the G string, okay. So those ones are going to be there the entire song, okay? So it's going to be that sound. You're going to hear that sound a lot, okay? So it's going to be that, you're going to hear that the whole time. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start it off like a power chord, okay? This song is so easy to play for the chords. So you're going to put your pointer finger, all right? It's going to go, you see that? Your pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? So you're going to do, okay, so you do down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, so the whole time, for the easy way I'm showing you, it's just down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're just doing down, up, the whole time. You can do that for the very easy way I'm showing you to do this song, okay? Now, this song doesn't have a ton of variants, so what I'd probably do is when you're playing, like, the verses, I just play a little bit softer. Okay, so when you're doing this one though, watch, see here, I put my pointer finger against the E string so it mutes it. Otherwise it'll sound different, okay? So you're gonna do that, put your pointer finger against that, okay, and then after you do that a couple times, then you're gonna lift it off and put it on the 2nd fret on the E string, okay? So you remember you're leaving your ring and pinky down there, but you're gonna put your pointer, it's gonna go from 2nd on the A string to 2nd on the E string, okay? So you do, and then you're gonna do 2nd on the E string, okay, and then next you're gonna lift that off and you're gonna use your middle finger and you're gonna put that down, okay, on the E string but on the 4th fret, and then you're gonna do it open on the E string. Okay, so you do 2nd on the A, 2nd on the E, 4th on the E, open on the E. Okay, and remember you're leaving these. For this one, you're just going to be strumming the whole thing, right? So you don't need to. You're not barring this, but you do kind of want. You don't want it to be straight up. You want it to be touching, because it'll be muting those other strings, making it sound better. Okay, so you're just going to do down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, now the only thing you want to do here when you get to the open, you don't just want to leave it totally open, because then it plays the A string. So what you want to do is I'm just touching. Okay, I just touch the A string with my middle finger. That's it. Okay, so you do. I'm going to show you real close up here, okay? Notice that, okay? So when I'm doing this last one, I'm just touching it, so just to mute it, okay? I'm not actually pushing it down. If you push it down, it'll sound bad. So it's... just like that. Now, it's so easy to play it if you just do it like that. So the way that you're going to do the song then, all right, when you start, so you're going to go through 1, and then you start with the lyrics, okay? Here's to all the late night drunk phone calls that you picked up. Okay, so you're gonna do that. Now, super easy. I'm not even gonna go through and show you how you like where all the lyrics are that you play it with, because it's just so easy to just be doing. Okay. Da 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 da. Then you just do. Here's to all the late night drunk phone calls that you picked up. Okay, so you're just gonna go into that. Now, then, if you want to do it, if you want to try and pick it, or like let's say you're picking it with friends or something, like someone else is gonna sing, you'll do the same exact finger movements, but you're gonna with your left hand, but with your right hand, you're gonna do a little bit differently. Okay, so you'll start. You're gonna pluck the A string. So you're always plucking the bass note first. On this, you do. Okay, so you do A, and then you're gonna with these two fingers, you're gonna pluck the D and the G strings. Okay, so you do, and then mute. So dum bum mute, and then you do that again. Okay, so A, D and G, mute. D and G, A, okay? So you're just doing the bass note first every time. This is really hard to sing though with it, I think. But so remember, you do A, and then while you're doing this over here, you're going to be moving your pointer finger around, okay? So you're going to be doing A, E, E, open, 2, 2, 4, open. Here's to the... Okay, so you do that. And you just do that the whole time. But remember, so you watch, you do that. You're just doing E, A, E, E, open. Okay? So just... Then after the slap, you're going to do these ones again. And then notice I go up to the E. Mute, slap. Okay, slap is a mute. Okay, you do that again. Okay, and then you do open. Okay, so you do that. So that's how you play it. I mean, good luck. If you can play it and sing it at the same time, great. It's a little bit hard for me, but if you can do it, that's awesome. So anyway, that's the whole thing. I hope you guys have a great time learning the song. Let me know if you have any questions or anything, and request more songs to learn. And thanks, guys. I'll see you next time.